Liberian girl, you're my...
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Minnie. In today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how I made this beautiful tray using a picture frame from the dollar store. So the first thing you want to do is to remove the backing and the glass from the picture frame. I'm going to be moving the hooks from two of the picture frames and leave one because the one gonna be the bottom for the tray. I'm gonna glue all this paper together, and then I'm gonna glue the mirror on top, the white one. Make sure that the mirror is in the middle. I'm going to be adding diamond wrap around the mirror to make it more beautiful. I'm gonna be adding the glass over the mirror and place it in the frame. That's the bottom for the tray. So for this part, I'm gonna be gluing the frame together, the ones that I took the hook off. putting my remaining glasses there to support the bottom of the tray. So what I am doing right now is adding a diamond wrap to the second frame to make the tray more beautiful. Okay guys, so this is the finishing touch. Thanks for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe.
Because I get on papa. You will not disrespect. Because you see me.